लटवा न्यूज के स्टूडियो से नवीनतम अपडेट।
मेघालय के मुख्यमंत्री कॉनरेड के संगमा ने 4 मई को शिलोंग स्थित जसाई जल ग्रहण क्षेत्र का गहन निरीक्षण किया। यात्रा का मकसद जल स्रोतों की सुरक्षा और पुनर्जीवन के मकसद से किए गए विभिन्न हस्तक्षेपों के बारे में जानकारी प्राप्त करना था। मेघालय राज्य इस समय गंभीर जल संकट से जूझ रहा है, जो लंबे समय तक सूखे के कारण और गहरा गया है। इस गंभीर मुद्दे के जवाब में सरकार ने चिंताओं को दूर करने और संकट की प्रभाव को कम करने के कई उपाय शुरू की है।
Difficulties that people are facing and manage the water source in a better manner. And hence it is with that particular objective that one of the steps that we have decided to take is to ensure that the different springs, the different streams that are in the different cities and towns of our state should be tapped, and we should try to rejuvenate them and try to store the water as far as possible.
स्थिति पर चिंता व्यक्त करते हुए मुख्यमंत्री ने राज्य भर में जल निकायों की संरक्षण और सुरक्षा में सामूहिक प्रयासों की महत्व पर जोर दिया। मामले की तात्कालिकता पर प्रकाश डालते हुए उन्होंने नागरिकों से संरक्षण पहल में सक्रिय रूप से भाग लेने और सरकारी प्रयासों का समर्थन करने का आग्रह भी किया।
Weather conditions that we are facing, but in the last one and a half years, the different departments have been studying and working on how we could rejuvenate and improve the overall storage of these streams. So this is just one example. There are 7 such streams which are under the Shillong Municipal Board and many more which are there under the different departments.
क्योंकि मेघालय राज्य जल संकट से निपटने के कठिन कार्य का सामना कर रहा है, इसलिए सरकार और जनता के बीच सहयोग आवश्यक समझा जाता है। एकता और कार्रवाई के लिए मुख्यमंत्री का आह्वान भविष्य की पीढ़ियों के लिए जल संसाधनों के संरक्षण और स्थायी प्रबंधन के लिए सभी नागरिकों की साझा जिम्मेदारी के साथ प्रतिबंधित है।
So these are interventions like these, and today I've been joined by officials from the Shillong Municipal Board, the PHE, the MBMA, the Pollution Board, and all of us are here to see how we could take steps to improve that. And I'm sure that with these different steps, we would be able to overall improve the situation and improve the overall water situation in the coming years. Of course, this is a challenging time for us, but I do hope that once these interventions are in place, that we will be able to see a large improvement in the overall supply of the water. At the same time, I would like to take this opportunity to also request and urge the citizens of our cities, towns, and the state as a whole that apart from government responsibility, it is our responsibility also as a society to make interventions. So everything from ensuring that the areas around the catchment areas, around the springs, are not disturbed by different economic or mining activities is very crucial for us. We should also try to ensure that we don't waste water at our own household level. We should also try and do rainwater harvesting at our own household level also. And overall have a better awareness that water is precious. We may be receiving large rainfall, but does not mean that we can just waste the water that we get. And hence, it is a community as a whole and society as a whole that has to take step. And I would urge through the media today to our citizens also to participate and to work together in these situations so that we can improve the overall water condition and situation in the days and the years to come.
लटवा न्यूज के स्टूडियो से नवीनतम अपडेट। लटवा न्यूज के स्टूडियो से नवीनतम अपडेट।